What's up YouTube, Penny Chung Fitness here. Today we are back to test the Simoniz Foam Cannon, but this time I actually have some snow foam wash. This is the Simoniz Snow Foam Wash. So we're actually going to get a really clean bike out of this, hopefully. So if you watched my last video, you would have seen that I actually rinsed the bike with water in the foam cannon, and it worked quite well. This time we're actually going to use the Simoniz Snow Foam Wash to actually clean the bike with this. So let's go ahead and put some snow foam into the canister here. They say about half water, half snow foam, but I'm going to add a bit more of this. I would say maybe 2 parts to 1, 2 parts snow foam, 1 part water if you want a really thick foam. And for the bike purposes, you probably could get away with 1-to-1 ratio. Now go ahead and turn on the power button there. Let it build up the pressure. And as you spray your bike or car with the snow foam, you'll notice that the compressor will kick in again. And that's just to maintain optimal pressure as it sprays out the foam. So we'll go ahead and spray this down now. Wow. See the drivetrain, the wheels. And as you can tell, you'll notice that the compressor keeps turning on, and that's to ensure that it's maintaining the optimal pressure. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. It's nice and thick foam. Wow. That is very thick. We'll also spray down the cassette and drivetrain. Get the chain. Now that the foam is on there, we're going to go ahead and wipe the bike with a microfiber towel. And just doing a very basic wipe down. And one thing I do notice is that this thing smells amazing. Whatever this stuff is, this Simoniz snow foam, this is great. I think I saw police, so I might have to stop testing it a bit. We'll see if they show up. I hear sirens. Let's go ahead and wipe that all off. Get the bottom bracket area nice and clean, and I think it's pretty good. Got a fresh chain cleaner. Thank you, John. Am I doing this right? I don't know. I usually use a chain cleaning tool, but I think this is probably doing the trick. Okay, so we'll clean the cassette as best as possible. Yep, that's pretty dirty. So why don't we go ahead and spray this one more time. Ooh. Look at that. So I know that this is technically meant for auto cleaning, but again, I found that this is an easy way to clean your bike using portable tools. You just need some type of reservoir of water, whether it be just filling up jugs of water, just so you have a bit of a source. Now, truly, this is actually meant for a car, so let's go ahead and try that. Again, this is the gray tip, which is the smallest beam pattern. We'll let that sit for a bit and come back and wipe it away. Once again, you can tell that the compressor turns back on every time you use the foam cannon, just to maintain proper pressure. Now I'm using the thinnest nozzle, so if you're doing a car application, you would not use this one. Okay, so just a view. We're almost empty, but might as well use up the rest. Just a view of what the widest nozzle looks like. Again, we're almost out of foam. Okay, so we're actually gonna release the valve, release the pressure, and put water in here so that we can rinse off everything from the bike and the car. So let's go ahead and release it. Oh, don't forget to turn off the power first. Power is off. And then go ahead and press the pressure release valve. And once you don't hear anything, that's when you know it's ready to be opened. Okay, I think we're good. We'll go ahead and open that up. Okay, we were pretty much good. We're gonna rinse this out, put some water in, and go ahead and rinse it. All right, so we've added water, but it was a bit hard to rinse, so we'll see how it goes. Nope, still snow foam. There's still a bit of soap left in the water, it seems like, in the bucket or reservoir, so make sure you rinse out the bucket or the reservoir quite well. That's my only tip, but I think it's okay. I'm gonna leave it on and just wipe it off. So we'll go ahead and wipe the excess off, and look at that beautiful sheen. Super, so shiny. It's almost shinier, dare I say it's shinier than when I first bought the bike. And there you have it, folks, the Simoniz Foam Cannon, this time with actual snow foam wash. You saw how well it worked, and you see how clean my bike is and my car. So you know this stuff works. And best of all, it's portable, available only at Canadian Tire. Get yours now. I guarantee you, bike owners will need this while you're on the road, or even if you live in a condo or apartment and you don't have a place to wash your bike. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and go get yourself a Simoniz Foam Cannon paired with Simoniz Snow Foam Wash. You got a beautiful, clean bike, car, motorcycle, boat, whatever you want to clean. Your bathtub. You could probably clean this with your bathtub too. I guarantee you. So try it out.